This video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Equity mobile app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right app, you need to go ahead and find Google Play Store app and then tap on it. And when it opens, now you need to go ahead and sign in using your Gmail. Once you're here, you should see a search bar on top here, but for my case, it is not there. So if you're missing a search bar, there is no way you'll search. You need to go ahead and activate it by tapping on a search icon down below, and immediately you can see the search bar has been activated. Now go ahead and just type Equity. So I'll just type Equity like that, and then if I click on this, now you can see we have our Equity mobile app here. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Equity Group. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 317,000 reviews. And the average size is 23 MBs. And at the moment, it has over 5 million downloads. At the time you are seeing this, these statistics might have changed. So if you see this data, then you are on the right app. To get it, tap on install. And this will download the latest version of Equity mobile app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, now you can proceed and open from here. Or if you go back and then open your apps, now you should see our Equity mobile app is here. To use it, tap on it. And this is the welcoming interface from here. Allow access of location while using this app. Then go ahead and sign in using your account and set a password. So that's how you can install and start using Equity mobile app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.